So the cables that come with the heater, they're super short. I think they're like 1.5 meters or something like that. In my case, it's not gonna do, as I am planning to put the heater controls near my bed, so I don't have to get up in the morning to turn it on, say like super early, like 3 or 4 when it gets like chilly. So I've decided to make a cable. It's a 3-strand, and just route it around the van from one end to the other. So hopefully that works. Here's the video. So shop didn't have what I need. I needed 3 different strands and different colors, and these colors are matching the colors on the diesel heater control unit. So I am gonna place it from underneath the passenger seat. I'm gonna rewire it all the way to the bedroom, so to speak, and hopefully everything will work. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Yeah. So these ones are about 16.5 amps. A little bit overkill, but it's better better to have more flexibility rather than not enough. I don't know why I put this cable tie on the end. I guess it seemed a bit quicker way to start it. Red, blue, black. I also have yellow. These fans are the best thing I ever got installed. They are awesome. Expensive, but awesome. To cut my cable ties off. So when you're working on a project, you can never have too many cable ties. Because you might have to cut them eventually and put more. Let me speed that up for you. Exactly what the doctor ordered. hope I didn't break that. I tell you, filming and working at the same time, it's something else.